Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the device you'll use and confirming your connection. Once done, test your speed so you know if you need a better plan. Make sure the streaming app is installed or that your browser is updated, then sign in or create an account. You do this now because a working account and adequate bandwidth are required before browsing titles. Once signed in, check payment and parental settings quickly so you won't interrupt playback later. Now you choose a movie. Search, apply filters, or browse curated lists to narrow options. This saves time and helps you find what you want. Once you pick a title, preview details, runtime, resolution, subtitles, and audio, so playback matches your setup. Make adjustments, enable subtitles, switch audio language, or choose a different stream quality based on bandwidth. If you prefer a bigger screen, cast or connect via HDMI. Alternatively, download for offline viewing when supported. You're ready to press play. Confirm any payment details, then start playback and use on-screen controls to pause, skip, or change chapters. While watching, add titles to your watch list and enable reminders or parental lock so everything stays organized. If playback falters, try one quick fix first. Clear the app cache and restart the router. If that fails, switch to a different stream quality or change your DNS to a public resolver. That troubleshooting step often restores smooth viewing fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.